What's going on, guys? I want to introduce you to a product you should be definitely offering all of your customers. This installs up in the ceiling just like a recessed light. It's self-contained. Obviously, it's serviceable so that you could go back and give them more service. But it's a self-contained fire extinguisher. This is perfect for above an EV, above an EV charger. And, in addition to wire management, surge suppression, and fire suppression, you can certainly add to each of your EV charger installs. Or you can reach out to previous customers and introduce them to this type of product and offer a safe, convenient, clean installation. So when we speak about wire management, here's a simple shower curtain type of device that is very simple and inexpensive that you could use to offer your customer. And you can see how these would slide down and, keeping the equipment off the ground. Something your customers certainly would be interested in. Another one are these retractable yo-yos that can be mounted anywhere. It can be mounted on a ceiling from with a piece of strut. You can see here on a pedestal. But I notice most electricians overlook this lucrative part that most customers would opt in if you had it on your truck and could show them in person exactly how it would work. And even something as simple as this, just tacking up along the wall, is better than just leaving it laying on the ground or wrapped up around the charger. Couple simple pieces here. There's the wall connector that allows the charger to plug into. They're very inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon. And then a couple simple straps along the wall. Ultimately, this is a really nice piece, especially if you are parking your car in your garage right next to a sidewall. This yo-yo is really nice. Now, the problem with this installation is what happens when you're done charging. A lot of times the charger will just hit the ground, but at least with the cable curled up, because EV chargers come with a 24 to 25 foot length cable. And you can see here this Tesla wall connector, and they've neatly done some dog ears to wrap around, but there's no spot I can't see on this picture to quickly let the cable not hit the ground. What I would prefer instead of this, if you ran the cable up, tacked it along the ceiling of the garage, and let it lay hanging straight down. That way, when you walk out of your car, if it's not charged, you kind of bump into it and you're forced to plug it in. And it's just very convenient. So I'm not real fond. However, this is better than no cable management. Here's another example. You can see the EV charger. This is a General Electric charger. I actually have this charger. You can see the cable output is going up. And this black box here that you see, because I can't pinch and zoom it, is just so that the wire went in the wall, up and then out above the charger, and then it's tacked to the ceiling with that yo-yo. You can see it hanging there. This is better. I really don't think that's necessary. If you manage the cable right and you just leave enough length, you really don't need that yo-yo there. Electron, it seems to be a leader in EV charging converters, adapters, and you can see here this is a NAX adapter with a spot, a dog ear to hang the cable off of. You should all have these in your trucks, guys. $20, you could easily sell this for $35 to $50, $75 installed. And let's not forget the most important additional piece that every EV charger owner would opt to accept is a whole panel surge protector. So you can see a wide variety here. Some are very as simple as plugging in like a circuit breaker. You can see there's a neutral connection to it. There's some that mount that come like a doorbell transformer that mount to a knockout. This one here, I don't know if I can, is more of a commercial use one, but these are fantastic. You should be having all these on your trucks, guys. to maximize each EVChargerFast.com lead. Now, I'm not talking about ripping someone off or overselling, but these are products: fire suppression, surge suppression, wire management are all adders to help you make more money as an electrician for EVChargerFast.com.